Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I sincerely hope that each and every one of you is doing absolutely well. Today's main topic for our lecture is going to be all about solving a linear equation, and specifically from this equation, we will be determining the exact value of x, okay? You can clearly see a question that has been written on the board right behind me. So without any further delay, let's proceed to solve this problem. So we have these two types of fractions here, and the method to solve them is that we take the denominators that are opposite to each other and we need to multiply them with the denominator of the other fraction. For instance, if you look here, we have arrived at this point where first and foremost we will rewrite this entire question so that we can then proceed and continue with its solution. So what we're going to do here is that you are going to multiply 4 with the term x plus 3 and you will multiply 2 with the term x plus 5. This method is referred to as cross multiplication. 4x plus 3 to x plus 5. Okay, we have this. After that, we need to multiply 4 inside. When it multiplies with x, we'll get 4x. And when it multiplies with 3, we'll get 12. Similarly, we'll get 2x and 10. Now we'll put the same variables on one side and the numbers on the other. 4x minus 2x equals 10 minus 12. So 2x equals minus 2. Then we divide by 2 and the value of x will be x equals minus 1.